Hey there. So, imagine you're trying to delete a file in your C++ program, right? The problem comes when you want to get an error message if the file doesn't exist. You go ahead and try to use the std-filesystem remove function with an error underscore code, but all you get is a vague, unknown error message. Frustrating, right? So, why doesn't it just tell you that the file doesn't exist? Let's dive into this curious case. Now, let's talk about the solution to this dilemma. According to the documentation on preference, both versions of the remove function behave consistently. In both cases, if a file doesn't exist, it's not considered an error. Instead, the function returns true if the file was removed successfully, false if it didn't exist, and indicates an error if something went wrong. So, when you're using the error underscore code version, getting a false return value doesn't always mean an error code. Interesting, right? To sum it up, when it comes to using std-filesystem remove in C++, remember that a non-existent file isn't seen as an error in either overload. Both functions will return true if the file is deleted, false if the file doesn't exist, and only report an error if something unexpected happens. So, next time you encounter the mysterious unknown error message, you'll know that the file not existing wasn't the issue after all. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. See you next time.